Kissing and hope they cut us, whether they like or not. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up.
Wow. Ah, fine, babe. This hair is gorgeous. I know you saw that thumbnail, but this is not the same. Take a closer look. Let's get into the material. And I didn't even have to do anything. When I say anything, I mean bleaching, plucking, cutting the lace. None of that. The wig came ready to wear just like this. I'm in heaven. Wow, this wig is a 10 out of 10. I mean it. Look at the melt. 7x5 closure. It gives frontal without the frontal mess. Just watch me woof and tug on it. It is on and stuck. That's thanks to me. So here's the wig right out the box. As you can see, the lace is cut. The baby hairs are plucked. It's not by force to use baby hairs now, but at least they shaped it for you so you don't have to worry. And of course, the knots are bleached, blending right into my skin. Not one knot in sight. Also, the wig is made beautifully, it fit perfectly, and it also had an elastic band for extra security. So I'm gonna try it on just to give you a look without me doing anything, just straight out the box. This is what it's giving. Look at that rat tail comb right through the lace. So transparent and nice. Love that for me. So now it's time to install the wig. We are moving super fast. I'm gonna take my tinted lace spray from Ebon and into the lace just to give it a nice melanated color. And then I'm gonna take my Got to Be Glued spray and start spraying that against my hairline. And remember, it's a closure, so it doesn't need to be from ear to ear. I'm just drying a generous amount onto my head. And once it's tacky, we're gonna put on this wig. Now, I like baby hairs, okay? But these baby hairs are not one size fits all. Also, my hairline is also not one size fits all. Everybody's different. I have hairs that grow near my eyebrows, okay? So I left those out of the lace, and I really don't mind it. It's gonna blend right into my edges from the wig, so I'm happy about that. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna make sure it's very, very dry to get that Got to Be Glued activated, down, stuck. And this doesn't mess with my real hairline at all. Here's a closer look. I combed my little, baby hairs on my face out so that the lace is not sticking to them. It's like perfectly on my skin. That's my personal preference. So now I'm going to take my comb and just part my wig down the middle, making sure it's in the center. And once that's good, I'm going to take that looks so nice. I'm going to take a wax stick and just form that middle part into place on both sides. Guys, this looks so good. Like, you cannot tell me this isn't growing out of my head. Like, I know my natural hair is like 4C, but don't worry. Once I lay the edges, you go see them. So I'm going to take my hot comb now and just start pressing the hair into place. I'm in love. They bleached the knots on this wig so well. I didn't even have to worry. Just perfectly bleached knots. And you can't even see the invisible cap underneath. I didn't have to put makeup on the cap, do the annoying ball cap method. Like, I love a hassle-free wig. It's giving wig ASMR. I was so happy. Guys, that looks so good. I'm gonna spray that against my baby hair / hairline and move fast though. You don't want it to lift the lace, so you have a couple minutes to do work. I'm just gonna swoop my baby hairs. Now this is up to you. You can comb everything back, but I like me a little swoopy swoop. I'm also gonna spread that along the hairline of the hair. This looks so good, guys. Like, I'm gonna let you just enjoy the view. I'm taking my argan oil, and this is going to just, you will see. I don't even know what to say, guys. Like, prepare yourself for how beautiful this hair is. UNice really wowed me, I cannot lie. Like, I've tried their hair in the past, but this is probably the best wig they've come out with. They are really upping their game. Today we are going for beautiful, big, effortless, but bombshell looking curls. I'm taking my trusty wand and I'll link it down below for you. I know I forgot to in my last video. I'm sorry, go check, it's back. But I'm gonna take a big chunk of hair and I'm gonna flat wrap it around the wand. I don't use a curler, I use a wand to get my curls, but this gives me that salon perfect curler look without all the hassle that it takes to use a curler, I think. But if a wand is easier for you, use one. If a curl is easier for you, use that. But I'm just admiring the hair. It's so beautiful. Hi, fine babe. Sorry. But yeah, that's how the curl comes out. Love that for me. You guys have seen me curl my hair if you watch my videos, but even if you don't, nobody wants to sit here and watch curling hair over and over doing the same thing. So I put it on 4 times speed for you. but this is the last piece right here. Of course, wanding all curls away from my face as it should be. And we're gonna let that go, and that's it. Bomb.com. And you know what they call me, Sophiology? Because I do science. Do you see that? Perfect curls every time. I'll leave the wand down below for you. But yes, we are gonna do my favorite part. We're gonna separate the curls, babe. Get into it. Ah! Yes, big, voluminous, bombshell curls, just like I love them. After separating them, I'm gonna just take that wand again and just press the top down. Form it to my head, get it looking like a sew-in, leave out, it's giving. Speaking of, are we ready to take off the band? Are we ready to see what we're working with? Wow. Oh gosh, oh my gosh. Like, are you seeing this, guys? I can't. I actually can. Cause duh, I'm gonna take some Got2b glued spray and just set everything into place so it stays beautiful. Get into it. Get into it. I'm gonna go beat my face and come back. Thanks, babe. I tried small. Literally, I tried small. Like, no stylist needed, no hair appointment needed. Once you order the wig, the knots are bleached for you, the hairline is plucked for you, the lace is cut for you. Like, what else is there to do for you, babe? This was made for a princess. And it's calling your name. There's no better wig for beginners than this wig. Literally scored 10 out of 10. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.